Alright everybody, I got one for you. I'm in a Jeep Wrangler with the 3.6 Pentastar motor, whatever, in it. I've got these three codes here, one of which is a timing code, which would also possibly affect these. I'm going to go for a road test later, so I don't know if anything's up with those yet, but I just went and did this one, or at least what I consider a check. I come over here to special functions. There are cleanings for all four phasers. You can see I've already done them. Number one was the only one that was dirty, at least by the field test. Basically what this does is going to increase oil flow. I think it actually tells you help clean dirt and debris out of the oil control valve, not the solenoid. I want to make that clear. These have a separate solenoid, or I believe they call it an actuator, but it's a solenoid. It's got a coil of wire in it and a steel pintle that it moves with that coil wire due to electromagnetic, that when you power up a coil of wire it becomes electromagnetic, so that's how that works. So basically this just increases the oil pressure to the phaser, and then I believe it sticks it wide open for a second. You won't feel it right now, at least in the camera, but if there's a dirty phaser it'll stumble, and you want to keep doing this on the same one until it stops stumbling. And like I said, this was the only one that made it stumble. I had to do it about 3 times before it stopped and got whatever the hell was in the oil control valve out of there, and then these 3 were all clean. So this is due for oil change anyways, so we'll talk to the customer about that. But if you have a PO16, you might have these other 2 codes too, but they're oxygen sensor related, so they're more likely only related due to the phaser not adjusting right and then causing issues. But this is bank 1 sensor 1. You can see O2 1 2 and then 1 lean, so both in the same bank, even though there's no codes for the upstream O2 sensor, which I believe on these Jeeps they are O2s and not air fuel sensors. But quick and dirty, easy. If you have a timing code on your Pentastar motor, I guess this will apply for more than just Wranglers. Maybe you just need to clean your oil control valves. So have a great day.